Oh, I hit the balloons.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Welcome to
Monster Truck Water Slide. And we've got extra water bombs on it. And we've got 11 monster trucks. Extra large ones.
Yeah, but they are going to smash all balloons down.
Yeah, so basically, the furthest the car monster truck goes, the winner here.
Yeah, but they might get a bit wet.
Yeah, you're going to get wet in there.
Now,
It does. We should do that one again. Let's do that one again. Grave digger. Oh, dropped it. Are you ready? There it goes. Oh, it stopped there.
He died.
Right, this is Rottweiler, I think.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
I hit the balloons.
He lose.
It's it's really close to Grave Digger. Then we've got Godzilla. Godzilla rolled it. No, Godzilla. So far, we say the Rottweiler is winning.
I hope I win.
Now we've got, what's it called? Cool School? Oh, he hit a balloon water bomb. To school. Now we've got Zombie Rex. Zombie Rex, oh, he's just in front of to school. Now we've got Roger Dodger. Roger Dodger is the leader. Look at that. Nearly at the end. Who we got now? Dragon.
He's a little bit wobbly. Look.
Dragon.
Oh
Oh
my
no,
God.
he hit the bombs and crashed into Godzilla. Oh. Now we've got Gangster. Gangster is the new leader. Nearly made it to the end. Now we've got Mohawk Warrior. Oh. He didn't do too bad. And now we've got Tiger Shark. Whoa, he rolled it. Whoa. And now we've got Grave Digger. Grave Digger. Oh. He's back there. So, the winner is Gangster. Now, let's get the water bomb.
And let's smash.
Missed.
Let's smash them.
Let's get. Oh! Haha.
You.
Go on then. Ah! Got my feet. If you like the video, guys, thanks for watching.